This video is designed to help you improve your English naturally. You will hear simple and clear English that is commonly used in everyday life. Just listen carefully, focus on the words, and try to understand without pressure. With regular listening, your English will slowly become clearer and more confident. I want to talk about something that can truly change the way we achieve our goals: consistency over motivation. We often think that motivation is the key to success. We wait to feel inspired, but the truth is, motivation comes and goes like the weather. What really matters is showing up every day, even when we don't feel like it. Motivation is temporary. Motivation is powerful, but temporary. Imagine you decide to start exercising. On the first day, you feel excited, full of energy. By the third day, that excitement fades, and suddenly, going to the gym feels like a burden. If you relied only on motivation, you would quit. This is why consistency matters more than feeling motivated. Small steps lead to big results. Consistency means taking small steps regularly, no matter how you feel. Let's say you want to learn English. Practicing 15 minutes every day might seem small, but after a month, you will see huge improvement. Motivation alone won't give you that progress. It's the daily habit that creates real change. Real life example: think about successful people. Michael Jordan, one of the greatest basketball players, didn't become a legend because he felt motivated every day. He became consistent with practice. Thousands of shots, day after day, even when he was tired or discouraged. That daily commitment made him great. Overcoming challenges. Consistency also helps us overcome challenges. Motivation can disappear when life gets hard, but if we keep going, even slowly, we stay on track. For example, a student preparing for exams might feel tired or bored, but reading a little each day keeps them ahead. Small, steady actions beat occasional bursts of effort. Building discipline and habit. Consistency builds discipline. When you practice something regularly, it becomes a habit, and habits shape your life. Motivation might push you today, but habit carries you tomorrow. Imagine brushing your teeth. You don't need motivation, it's a habit. Similarly, successful people make consistency their habit. Conclusion, takeaway: so, remember this: don't wait to feel motivated. Focus on being consistent, even when it's hard, even when you don't feel like it. Show up, do the work, and over time, results will follow. Consistency is the silent force behind every great achievement. Be consistent, and watch your dreams turn into reality.